This week's story was about a forest of whānau, and some of the creatures in the forest were birds. The Māori name for birds is manu, and here we have a manu who lives in the forest. Manu starts with the letter M, and the M makes a sound. Now I've got a card here that says I've also got a card that says not and we're going to look at some pictures, and you're going to decide whether your picture's going to go with starting with or not starting with Are we ready? Does everybody know where they think they'll put their card?
Yeah.
What's your picture, Brooke?
Man.
Man, good girl. Man starts with an sound. Starting with an M sound, you've put it in the pile. Miguel, would you like to bring up your card? What's your picture, Miguel? Say it again.
Fan.
Fan. Fan starts with a, and he's put it in the not pile. Mud, cat, mum, bike, team, Matt. Oh, wonderful.